So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrock Luna here for another toy review. So guys, ito na nga. In-unbox natin si Cobra Commander dahil nga idadagdag ko siya sa mga villain shrines ko for the 90s series na cartoons or animation na kinagisnan ko ng kabataan. So far, sa details muna tayo. Detail-wise, this is not the original version ng Cobra Commander kasi this is like the second version na ng uniform ni Cobra Commander. Alright? So, ang tawag dito is the Regal or the Regal version na much lighter blue ang dating niya. Okay? So, ayan guys. So, ang accessories or inclusions na kasama niya is this one. Right hand na pointing finger. Kung nakita niyo sa unboxing. Ayan. Cobra. Tayo. And then, isang left hand na closed fist. Ang default hands niya is sa left open palm. Ayan, ito. Yeah, sorry. Phoenix ko na kasi siya doon. Para hawak ko nyari yung sword niya. Cobra sword. Ayan. Parang choking hand. Then the gripping hand, which is ito. Pati sa sword, ito na lang din yung gagamitin nyo. So, mag-alternate kayo. Now, it has as well the handgun, as you can see, the gold handgun and the red sword. Alright? So, very iconic siya. Very nostalgic as a G.I. Joe fan. Alright? Sa animated series. So, ito. Second season ata na uniform to ni Cobra Commander na yan. Daming version si Cobra Commander sa action figures, guys. Lalo na gawa ng Hasbro Pulse na pala. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng detail. So far, so good. Ayan. Comic accurate siya. Or animated series like. Ayan, the gold, the Cobra logo. Sana lang ang ginawa nila. For me, medyo na-off lang ako kasi hindi masyado glossy yung dito sa helmet. Or yung visor. Alright? But nonetheless, it's still good. So the details wise, I would say I'd give it a 9.10 or 9 out of 10 para sa details. Now, sa articulation wise, all good for the head, 360 degrees, double jointed elbows, ayan. May bicep swivel, as you can see. Ab crunch, okay. Ito makikita niya. Wait. Yan. So far, a problem lang is the ab crunch going in front. May limit. Only pa backward lang siya. Dahil dito sa accessories niya. Alright. Now, sa hip swivel naman, meron siya yan. Kung makikita nyo. Okay. And then, meron din siyang bicep swivel, both legs. Double jointed din ang knee for better jumping, bending, and kneeling pose. Now, for the ankle part naman guys, yun ang problema is that hindi mo siya masyadong magagalaw ng left and right. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Parang piki ang datingan niya. Okay. So, for articulation, this has at least 21 points of articulation. So, I'll give it at least a 8.5. So, medyo nakukulangan ako sa kanyang articulation. But, nonetheless, this is a awesome figure to collect and to have on your 90s villain shrine. So, ayan guys. So, just a quick toy review for our Cobra Commander G.I. Joe Classified Series 2020 release na Regal version ni Cobra Commander. So kagaya ng sinabi ko, sobrang dami guys ng version ni Cobra Commander. Meron pa yung kanyang darker version ng gantong skin or ng costume niya, and meron pa dong mas maangas na naka-armor siya. Okay, sa Sigma 6 na G.I. Joe, if you've watched it, ayan, yun yung isang mga armor niya. Battle mode ang dating ni Cobra Commander. So, hope you enjoy this quick toy review for our Cobra Commander. Lalagay ko siya sa aking collection na guys. So, this is again Sumarock Luna. Thank you for watching. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. Sumarock Luna out. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Bye.